In this video, we will start coding our buttons, okay? As you can see here on the finish app, we have this login button and we also have this sign up button, okay? So for the sake of this video, what we want to do, we want to add this sign up button, okay? So in order to do so, here this VStack, if you guys remember, this VStack contains this welcome to Kant Crossing, okay? So if we toggle this VStack, what we want to do, we want to add a button after this spacing, okay? So here we can add a button. And for a button, what we want this button with action and label, okay? So we can select this. And here for now, for the action, we can leave it empty. And here for the text of our button, what we don't want this button, but instead we want this on sign up. Okay, perfect. And as you can see, we have this button at the very bottom of the screen. So what we can do, we can copy this spacer and paste it after a button. And as you can see, we push our button to the middle, okay? So now what we want to do, we want to style our button, okay? First thing we want to do, we want to add a font weight. And the font weight we want is that semi-bold. And the next thing we want to do, we want to add a frame. So that frame. And for the min width, what we want to do, we want to set it to 0. And for the max width, we want to set it to 150. Okay, perfect. But we are not able to see this frame. So what we want to do, we want to add a background color. So here, that background color. And here the color we want for background is our primary color, okay? Because as you can see, this is our primary color. If you guys remember, we added this color. So the color we want is this my primary color. So if we go back on this welcome screen, so here for the color, we want to specify that we want to get this my primary color. And normally now our button is supposed to have this background, and as you can see here we have this background, and it's far from being perfect, okay? The first thing we want to change the foreground color, okay? Because the foreground color is the color of this text, okay? So here that foreground color, and the color we want is white, so that white. And normally this text is supposed to turn white, okay, perfect. So the next thing we want to do, we want to add a corner radius, okay? Because as you can see here, we have a corner radius. So here after this background, what we want to do, we want to add that corner radius. And here for corner radius, we want to set it to 30. Okay, perfect. Now you can see that we have this beautiful corner radius. But this one is too small, okay? As you can see, we are not even able to see it properly. So what we can do, we can add the padding. So if we simply specify this padding, as you can see, it will add some space on our button, okay? Or on our text, okay? So I think for now, we can leave it like this. And the next video, we will do this on login screen. And then we will see how we can add this shadow, okay? So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If that's the case, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.